Hey there, it's Dr. Engadget. We are here at IFA 2012 at Samsung's massive booth, taking a look at Google TV. And so this is Samsung Smart TV with Google TV. As you can see, we have a Google TV home screen here with Google Chrome on the bottom left. There's Play Store access, YouTube. There's a redesigned YouTube that you'll see in a second. A web browser as well, in addition to Chrome, and then some channel content. So can we go ahead and take a look at the new YouTube app? So you can either control the TV using a standard remote control. There's also, we've seen this before, but Samsung's keyboard and then touchpad right here accessory that you can use to type in to the web browser. You can tweet from there, you can send emails, really anything that you would do on an Android device. So here we have, this is one of the viewers within the YouTube app, and you can select content through that carousel like viewer down below. Okay, back to the home screen. And unfortunately this one's not connected to the internet, so we can't check out Google Play, but it does exist. Smart TV with Google TV here at IFA 2012.